a steak sandwich, a dessert on the barbecue, making my own bread, 2 Kamados. This week is gonna be damn fun. One of you awesome subscribers requested me to make a steak sandwich. Awesome steak sandwich barbecue, perfect combination. So I was talking with my wife about that, and we were like, okay, steak sandwich, we're gonna use some vegetables, some onions, that's nice. Gonna make my own loaf of bread, perfect. But my wife was like, yeah, if that's all, we're still gonna be hungry. So we were thinking, and we're gonna make it with fries. Yeah, so fries, steak, sandwich, nice. Children happy, we are happy, perfect. But that won't be enough for us. So in the end, we're gonna use this one, the pineapple. We're gonna use it on the barbecue because this is a barbecue channel. So a nice little dessert with pineapple ice cream. Be ready, guys. Here we go. Now let's first start making the bread. We're gonna start with 500 grams of flour, just a normal flour. Then we've got 7 grams of dry yeast. Gonna add that in there. Combined with 20 grams of sugar. And let's mix that. Then I'm gonna add 250 grams of raw water and let it go on slow for like 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're gonna pause it, open it up, add like a good hot tablespoon of fine olive oil, and then slowly add in like 10 grams of salt. And when that's done, go a little bit higher with the speed. Now, and 3 minutes later, we got ourselves a nice elastic dough. Get it out of the bowl, not too sticky. Now we get some tension on the bowl, so use your hands, push everything down and down and down and down, so some tension will build up. Down. Get the bowl, put it in the bowl, some foil, cover it up, some holes in there, and put it on a hot pot for like about 2 hours.
2 hours later.
A couple of hours later, the dough doubled in size, raining in the meanwhile. Get it out, sprinkle it on the towel. Don't put too much flour on there. Divide it in 4 pieces. There we go. Now making the sandwiches. Push it over, push it in. And again, push it over. Your hands at the end. Make it a little bit longer. Now here's the seam. A little bit on there. Put it in the towel. Fold it over. I'm gonna let it rest. In the end, dust it a little bit. Put some extra flour. Now it's time to let it rest for another 30-40 minutes. Now as you can see, the barbecue for the pineapple, one side heat, other side no heat. We're gonna put the pineapple directly over the heat and let it go for like 20 minutes. So everything can nicely caramelize. Yeah, I have to make sure that's nicely in the middle. So on the rotisserie, 20 minutes. Yeah, you don't have to look at it. Just let it go. The heat will do its job. Then meanwhile, my new wok pan, cast iron wok, is heating up. Temperature at the moment inside the wok, not that warm. I think like 100, 120 degrees. Everything full open, fire burning, so that's going to be okay. Got myself a new 1 minute lighter from Bastard. Thing is really awesome, really awesome. Really doing what it's supposed to do. A little bit of natural oil. Let's warm that up and let's bake some veggies. Nicely hot right now. Put everything in. Stir fry this. Look at all those colors. We have like 3 red onions, 3 bell peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow one. Nicely stir frying until soft. Don't forget to season. Pepper, salt. Also, don't forget to take it off the fire when it's almost ready, because it's cast iron, it will continue cooking. Last couple of minutes, going in with the garlic. You don't want to put it in too early, it will burn. Taking the fireproof gloves and get it off the fire. Now, gonna heat up my cast iron griddle. Time for the beef. Well, my son doesn't really like beef. That's his decision. So for him, it's gonna be a sandwich with sausage. Let's get some spices on there. Salt, SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. There we go. Both sides. Grilling on the barbecue. Also sausage on there. Now let it go. In the meanwhile, the loaves of bread looking great, nice, rustic. So we're gonna cut it open. Look at this, guys. This is looking awesome. Now the beef is ready. Let's cut some. Let's see how the grain is going against the grain. Nicely, thinly sliced. Easy to chew. Look at that. Let's load it up. Of course, I'm Dutch. I like mayonnaise. So I'm gonna start with a layer of mayonnaise. Because I can. This is one big piece of bread. Load it up with the beef. Some veggies. Oh, look at this. Sandwich. Jalapenos on there. Oh man. The jalapenos. Try to cap it up, but it's gonna be hard. Some fries. And happy days. The moment my whole family has been waiting for. The pineapple, stop the spinning, take it off. Be careful, it is bloody hot. There we go, try to get that off. Ah, not too bad to start. Bang, there we go. It's kicking in. Now, nice. Cut it down. Oh, ho, 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 ho. The core is too hard, so be careful for that. Don't eat that one. It's steaming. It's bloody nice. And of course, we'll have to test this. So let's give it a go. Oh. Now, we are with 4 people here in the house. So I got myself 4 bowls. 4. Here we go. Now, 2 of us wants a vanilla and 1. Oh, somebody has been sneaking. Ooh. So, a nice bowl of vanilla in there. If you want to make it easier, get yourself some water. It will roll easier. And there we go. So that's the vanilla ice, baby. And now the chocolate. I don't think I need to tell you guys for who this is gonna be. And there we go. And there we go. So there you have it. Your steak sandwich, my way. And the dessert with the pineapple from the barbecue. Now this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment. Maybe I can work with it like this time. Awesome idea. Thank you for that. And we're gonna see each other next time. Bye bye.